again, back in the workshop. Right, at the moment I've been asked to do some work on this lump of what appears to be aluminium. I'm guessing it's aluminium. The guy wants the internal diameter at the moment is 80. Alright, so it's 80 in the middle, and he wants it out to slightly bigger than it is here, and it's what it is. Let's have a look. It's 86. He wants it out to 88, and the outside, which is 109, right, he wants down to 108. So a little bit to take off that. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to alter the lathe a little, because we shall do the inside first and then do the outside. So we'll work on that now. Okay, so the first we've got to do, we've got to alter the chuck, because I want to hold it on the outside here, and I can't with these jaws, because these are external jaws and I need some, or rather these are internal jaws, I need some external jaws. I know what I mean. Because I want to hold it on the outside, I want to turn on the inside, and I can't turn on the inside while it's like that. So we'll do this. Each one is numbered as it comes off. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and I normally have number 1 at the top. Check that they're all going in the same. Leave it like that, and they're all nice and looks about right. So have a look at this, and we'll put this in. It should pop in there quite nicely. It's 20.4, and we want it down to 18. Yeah, because there's a step on one side and he doesn't want that. And this is 19, so what we'll do, we'll take a skim off here just to face it off, and then we'll get on with the boring bit. How we doing? A little bit of corrosion there. Okay, so we might just take it down past the corrosion, then it'll look better, won't it? Take a little bit more off. There we go. Yeah, that looks better. Apparently this is going to be a spacer for a drive system. I didn't ask what off, and he didn't volunteer the information, so he just gave me the dimensions he wants it, so we'll work from there. Okay, change the tool. So we've got the 0 point. Now we're going to get rid of this step here, so it's the same as that, which is 87. Then we'll take it from there, and while we're doing that, when we've got that equal, it might actually have taken this step off. So we'll just whip that. It shouldn't take long to do this. round. Looks pretty good. Let's just measure it up. And that is spot on both sides. Okay, so that just leaves this face to clean up. We got there 18.06. That's in tolerance, and that'll do nicely. So I need to go around this, get some of these rough edges off. Then we'll change the jaws and we'll do the outside. Okay, we've swapped the jaws now, and we're getting ready now to just take some off the outside. And as you can see, we're working, once again, we're working quite close to the chuck. But what I've done this time is I've just spaced them all out. Yeah, used my feeler gauges and I've spaced them out to 0.8 of a millimetre. So that's what, 32 thousandths. It should be enough so that when the tool comes to the end of its cut, it should just give me just enough of a gap on the tool tip there. Right, so it says it's 109.2 and I've got to get it down to 108. So we've got a little bit of take off, not too much so it shouldn't take too long. And away we go. I'm just going to stop it there because I just want to point out the finish that this is giving. This must be a really high quality aluminium, sort of aerospace grade I would imagine, because I mean look at the way the tool's finishing that off. It really is. It possibly doesn't come up too well on the camera, but to see it in the flesh as it were, it's quite well, awe-inspiring. So let's just carry on, and then when we're to where we should be, we'll take a measurement. It certainly likes to pick that swarf up, doesn't it? Let's get rid of that out of the way. Come on. There we go. Right, and we'll take a measurement. God, I've made a mess this afternoon. But still, it wouldn't be machining if we didn't make a mess, would it? Okay, so what have we got? We have got... How about that, eh? Where are we? Let's get this in. 108.06. Yeah. Oh, I think that's pretty good. So all I've got to do then is just... I've got a couple of sharp edges, just take the sharp edges off and we're there. There we go. There we go. How about that then? It's nice, isn't it? Okay. So that's another one now. You just rubbed down, brushed off, de-swarfed, and that could go off to the customer. That's some more beer chits earned, which is rather good. So I'm actually doing this on a Sunday, believe it or not. So there we are, look. It's just gone 2:05 on Sunday, the 13th of April. And so I'm going to clean this up now, get it off to the customer, no doubt, and he'll be ever so happy. So there you go, another good day's work. So once again from the workshop, goodbye for now, and thank you for watching.